Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time of the day you're watching this video, this is Dr. Eric Tangumanka with IAM Approach, where we inspire, equip, and motivate people to discover God's great potential in them, develop that potential, and deploy it. I want to talk about complaining. There are three things that influence complaining in our lives. The first one is when you keep looking behind and comparing your present situation to some past experiences, especially good experiences that you've had in the past. The second thing that fuels complaining is when whatever you are doing, you think you are being forced by external circumstances to do it. It may be somebody, it may be a situation, whatever it is, has conditioned you to do whatever you are supposed to be doing. The third thing is that you complain when you don't look into the future, when your focus is only on the present, when your focus is only on the pain that you are going through. And that is why, for you to stop complaining, because complaining is useless, complaining is hopeless, complaining is being foolish. Complaining has not helped you. Complaining has kept you where you are. Complaining is taking money away from you. Complaining is seizing your health from you. Complaining has made you stuck. You are a good complainer. You think you have good complaints. It's not helping you. It has not helped. It will not help. I want you to stop complaining. I want you to give up complaining. And this is how you do it. By looking at the goal, by looking at the future, by looking at your destination, by looking at the outcome that you want, that you desire, that you wish. There is a process between where you are right now and where you want to be. And that is why you need to go through the process if you want to get the outcome. Stop complaining. Quit complaining. Give up complaining and you'll become a winner. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a fantastic day. Share this video. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more updates.